everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a nail drill. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes. It comes in this beautiful carrying case, which I really do appreciate. You're going to open it up like so. And you're going to have everything that you need in here. So it comes with a user manual. It comes with the main device right here. You have these little bits right here, which are great for like taking off acrylics and stuff like that. It has all these nail bits right here, which are great for taking off the nail, cleaning up your cuticles, polishing, all of that fun stuff. This is your little charger because it is rechargeable. This is your main device. And then this is the part that you'll actually plug in. So you're going to grab this. This is going to plug up here. Turn it on. Let's see if it already comes charged. It does. And you can go forward or reverse, depending on what you want. And it does have this guard so that when you're filing, it's not going to kick up dust and get in your nose and stuff. And then you'll just grab one of these. Then to put a new one in, you twist it to unlock. You'll be able to pull that right out. Then you put whichever one you want in and then relock it. You can see it has unlock and lock right there. And then you can turn it on. And you're good to go to start just like fixing up your nails. You can see it's already taken that off. I don't really want to mess up my nails right now because I like my nails, but I am going to be doing my daughter's. Trying to reshape them. So just like that. Works really great. And then you just move it to the middle to turn it off. Now it does go from all the way to 35 down to 1. So it goes pretty high. And then you can just turn it over to turn it off. And like I said, it does have left and right. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.